Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the avatar editor on the Roblox website or mobile app. You sign in, then switch your avatar type to default, R6 or R15, because that removes custom package complexity. Once done, unequip accessories, hats, faces, shirts, pants, and any package body parts. Make sure to click each equipped slot and select the empty option. This removes items immediately. You're doing the minimal, first actionable steps to strip everything down, so you can cleanly proceed to the detailed removal stage. Now you dig deeper. Check outfits and inventory because saved outfits can reapply removed items. You open outfits, delete any that include unwanted pieces, or create a new empty outfit and set it as your active outfit. Next, inspect your inventory for package items or multiple accessory instances. Remove them or unequip each one. Also clear any custom animations or emotes linked to accessories. They can reattach items. Make sure to transition deliberately. Inventory changes affect what reappears in-game. Finish by saving your avatar and testing in a private server or solo play session so nothing auto-applies. If an item still appears, sign out, clear the app or browser cache, then sign back in. This forces Roblox to refresh your avatar state. If that fails, remove any conflicting outfits entirely or create and equip an empty outfit. One key troubleshooting tip. Outfits are the most common culprit. Delete them and then reapply a blank outfit to ensure the avatar stays stripped.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.